If your Toyota Corolla's ride feels bumpy, noisy, or unstable, it might be time for a suspension overhaul. Today we do it step by step using affordable local parts that save money without sacrificing performance. Suspension keeps tires in contact with the road, absorbs shocks, and maintains comfort and safety. Signs you need an overhaul: clunking noises on bumps, uneven tire wear, steering that feels loose, or the car dips forward when braking. Using local parts: pros, cheaper, available, supports local industry. Cons: quality varies, so pick trusted brands. Parts: front struts and shock absorbers, lower control arms and bushings, tie rod ends and ball joints, and stabilizer links. Tools: jack and jack stands, lug wrench, socket set, and a torque wrench. Penetrating oil for stuck fasteners, and a spring compressor. Use it carefully. Always wear safety gear and follow the tool instructions. Buy quality local parts from reputable dealers. Compare packaging and part numbers. Step 1. Lift the vehicle and secure on jack stands at factory points. Step 2. Remove the wheels to access suspension components. Step 3. Inspect old parts. Look for torn bushings, leaking shocks, and loose joints. Step 4. Replace struts and shocks, demonstrating safe spring compressor use now. Step 5. Swap control arms, tie rod ends, and stabilizer links, one at a time. Step 6. Apply proper torque specs. Use factory values for your Corolla. Verify by year, model. Step 7. Check alignment points and recommend a professional wheel alignment after the overhaul. Grease where recommended and double-check all fasteners. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. Always use stands. Confirm movement is restored and there are no leaks or play. Checklist: torque to spec, lubricate bushings, joints, get an alignment, then road test to confirm improvements. Tip 1. Always lubricate bushings and joints as recommended. Tip 2. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Excess weight stresses suspension. Tip 3. Rotate tires regularly to prevent uneven stress. Tip 4. Buy from reputable auto parts dealers to avoid counterfeits. Inspect suspension every 20,000 kilometers or sooner if you notice issues. Protect joints from dirt and corrosion. Simple covers extend life. Keep receipts and check warranty on local brand parts. That helps if quality varies. Consistent maintenance plus trusted parts keeps your Corolla safe and comfortable. Final test: rode the car. Feel improved stability and comfort. Quick recap: replaced struts, control arms, tie rods, stabilizer links, torqued to spec and aligned. If this saved you money, share with other Corolla owners and subscribe for more budget-friendly car maintenance tutorials.